Come here.
Streaming now on Peacock.
Bro, I'm scared of heights, man. Your boy's scared of heights. I'm gonna do it with 2 hands. Man, what is good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Bro, I'm scared of heights. We fishing today. But you think we gonna catch anything?
Bro, we gonna catch a lot, bro.
I don't know, bro. This water ain't looking too good. I knew the rocks would have been a better idea, man. This is a rebuilt bridge, bro. I'm scared. Yeah, like I said, but whatever we catch, we gotta eat for the next 24 hours. So if we don't catch nothing, we gonna starve to death. So it's gonna be interesting. We're gonna see how it is, though. And one last view of the Jacks Pier. No cap. Alright, y'all, we have finally situated. But y'all know how it is, man. If y'all fish, y'all know how it is. It's all about waiting, having patience, and basically just looking at your rod. That's really what it is. You gotta wait for the fish to bite. But if the fish don't bite, you ain't eating then, goddamn. If I see something, if I get a bite or something, I'm gonna pick up the camera right away. So don't worry, man. What bro trying to do, man? Get out my shit, boy. Dip. Or I'll put you on the fryer, boy. I said dip. But yeah, I'm gonna keep y'all updated on no cow. You know what I'm saying? We not starving today. We not starving today. Now, obviously you can't keep this. I mean, I would, but if I was somewhere around with other people. Anyway, I don't want to touch this, bro. Not for real, bro. Am I a bitch for that, bro? My pussy. He's gonna spine my ass, bro.
No, he's not, bro.
How do I hold him from the...
Bro, you grab him by the gills. Grab him by the head. You see his gills, bro, right here. You grab him by right there.
Bitch, bro, for real. I swear to God, if you fucking fight me.
Yeah.
Get that, bro. That's in his eye, bro. I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry. Oh, I'm sorry. But at least you live to see another day, don't care. Do the right thing. At least we're not starving.
Please stop recording.
Oh, I fell off, bro. For real?
Yeah. Oh, I should have reeled it in slow. It was a crab, bro.
Nah, he ain't catching nothing. Y'all see this, man? I'm like, I don't know. Oh, that's a good size one. Man, that's a big gill, ain't it, bro? I'm not sure.
No, that's I don't know what that is, bro.
It's a trout.
Oh, is it? I think it's one of those. What is it? Bluefish? Is it a bluefish?
Nah. That ain't no bluefish, bro.
It's not that big, bro.
Yo, what is this?
What?
What is this?
Is that a trout?
Show me. It's like is it croaking? Is it like, can you hear it? It might be a croaker.
Nah, I don't hear shit.
The next day.
Oh, man. Yachty's pizza. No cow. That's at $3.90. We might as well just put that in, bro. Huh? Oh, goddamn. Alright, watch out before you get burnt, man. Watch out. Stop touching it. Move. Oh, jump. The pizza is ready. Oh, that's hot. I'm gonna just do it with... Oh, hold up. Should I put the bottom one or the top one? The bottom, right?
Don't matter. Then I got ready to take it out. I got minutes.
And then we leave it in there for... What time is it? 2:55, 20 minutes. No. We'll be right back.
3 hours later.
Do you want some pizza? Nah, come on. This is what a Lil Yachty pizza looks like. Stop, man. It's what a Lil Yachty pizza looks like. No, I don't got a pizza cutter, but
Don't.
That's,
You gotta cut it like, you know what I'm saying? You gotta cut it
in the center.
like piece by piece. Yeah. Cut it down the middle and then cut it into four. What are you using?
A knife.
Oh yeah, that's big man. That's right.
Liam, move, man. We're gonna see, man.
Messi, make him dance, bro. Dale, Molina.
Alright, my turn. Let's try it real quick. I should have cooked it longer. Alright, y'all, I think it's cold enough for him to...
Bro, they should have sealed it, bro. They fucking sat back. And these all fucking metal fucks, bro. Just cross it.
Liam. Liam. It's decent. Nothing crazy, though. Nothing too crazy. But... You want more? Okay. 7 out of 10. 7 out of 10.